Hi everyone, this is Dr. Vineeta Pathak and today we are going to dive deep into the incredible world of niacinamide, a powerhouse ingredient for healthy and radiant skin. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is a versatile and essential nutrient that has gained immense popularity in the skincare world. It's a water-soluble vitamin that offers a wide range of benefits for our skin. So, what makes niacinamide so special? Well, let's start with its ability to regulate sebum production. It helps balanced oil production, making it an excellent option for those with oily or acne-prone skin. But that's not all. Niacinamide is also a potent antioxidant that helps protect the skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays, which can lead to premature aging. One of the most remarkable benefits of niacinamide is its ability to strengthen the skin's barrier. It enhances the skin's natural defenses, reducing sensitivity and preventing moisture loss. Now here's the exciting part. Niacinamide is a multitasker. It works wonders in reducing the appearance of hyperpigmentation, dark spots and uneven skin tone, giving you a more radiant and even complexion. Plus, it's known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive or irritated skin. So, how can you incorporate niacinamide into your skincare routine? Apply a few drops to your cleansed face morning and night, followed by your favorite moisturizer and sunscreen. But remember, skincare is not one size fits all. If you have specific skin concerns or conditions, I always recommend consulting with a skincare professional to tailor a routine that suits your skin's unique needs.